Good morning, students. Now we see the 10th standard social science subject. The social science subject first history, the lesson 1 outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. Okay, what is the objectives or learning objectives of this lesson? To raise for colonies leading to rivalry and clashes among the greatest powers of Europe. Next, emergence of Japan as the strongest and most aggressive power in East Asia. Next, colonialism impact on Africa, causes, course and results of the First World War. Treaty of Versailles and its provisions, causes, course and outcome of the Russian Revolution. Foundation, functioning and failures of the Leo nations. Okay. Now we discuss about the introduction of this lesson. In 1914 is a turning point in the world history. Why you say the turning point of the history in 1914? Because the 1914 the first world war began to start. Okay, 1914 to 1918 the 4 years the first world war duration period. So that is the turning point in the world history. The political and social process that began in 1789 culminated in the First World War that broke out in that year and decisively shaped the course of the 20th century. Culminated means the highest the social and political changes. Okay, that is the main cause of the First World War. Historian says that the 19th century is the long 19th century. This was the first industrial war that drew on the economic resources on the entire world and also affected large sections of the civilian population. The first industrial war. First industrial war means the economical resources of the entire world is destroyed. That also affected the large section of the civilian population. The First World War, most of the countries are participated that war. In that persons, a person in a native country, that person is called the civilian population. What are the countries are involved in First World War? That countries people also affected a large sections. After that, the political map of the world was redrawn. The end of First World War, the major empires, three nations empires lay statured, very shocked or very dangerous conditions. That countries called Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottomans. The biggest outcome of the war was the Russian Revolution. That is the world history first revolution. It is the first revolution. What is the first revolution of the world history? Means the Russian Revolution. The countries tried to bring about the world peace after World War. They are forming the League of Nations. To wanted them, they want all a world peace. In that case, they form League of Nations. Okay. Next, the scramble for colonies. Capitalist countries race for market. The aim of capitalist industries was to produce more and more. Why they are produce more and more goods means they want more profit. The surplus wealth means the more profit. Thus produce was used to build more factories, railways, steamships and other such undertakings. Revolution in the means of communications. They are developing the communication systems and transportation in the later half of 19th century facilitate the process of European expansion in Africa and other places. Why they are improving the transportation system means the producing goods sent to the market and raw material purchased the various places. So the important aspects of transportation is help to that activity. So the transportation and communication process facilitates so European expansion in Africa and other places. Okay, a striking features of 19th century was that European emerged as a dominant means more powerful, while Asia and Africa were colonized and exploited. Colonized means one nation peoples go to the another countries places, they are shifted. Okay, and that places is called a colonies. And exploit means that colonized countries resources are exploited the captured countries. Okay, within the Europe, England held a pre-eminent positions as the world leader capitalisms. Okay, an ever-growing demand for markets and raw materials made the capitalist power race around the world for expanding their empire for exploitations. The capturing countries, the most powerful countries, created a colonialism in many nations for the main aspect to exploit the resources. Okay. Next, rise of monopoly capitalism. After 1870, the alliance. What is the meaning of alliance? Means an agreement between groups or countries. Okay, the alliance of industries. In that case, the agreement between the industries and finance seeking the profits in market for goods and capital, which was an essential characteristics of imperialism. What is the meaning of imperialism? A political system in which a rich and powerful country controls of the countries which are not as rich and powerful as itself. That is called imperialism. The imperialism became evident in the later half of 19th century. The old idea of free trade collapsed. They were trust in USA and cartels in Germany. USA industrials formed a trust. What is the meaning of trust? A trust is an industrial organization engaged in the production or distribution of any commodity. The trust would possess adequate control over the supply and the prices of that commodity to its own advantages. The trust only the authority to fix the price of the goods. The trust only authority what are the goods distributed in which area. Okay, that is the possess adequate control of the trust. The next question is imperialism and its essential characteristics. Capitalism inevitably led to imperialism. Inevitable means is certain to happen. Led to imperialism. According to Lenin says that imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. Besides being a market for surplus goods, colonies served on the purpose. Imperialism was not just about the colonies, it became a total system, the logic of which was total militarization and total war. Thank you students, thank you one and all. We see the continuous 1.2 rivalry of the great power in the next class. Thank you children. This lesson presented by Rajamani Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Chakarampalayam. Thank you students, thank you one and all.